Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Zoisha, and I'm here still in Jamaica. It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. Let's tell you if you stop doing them something there with your finger.
Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve. So I had gotten Bay a surprise. I got him a tree.
I'm gonna design it.
Not design, decorate.
Decorate.
So that's what he's finna do. I ain't finna do anything. He
no,
finna
I can't eat by myself. I never eat them something.
Okay, get off me. Let's go put up the tree. I mean, decorate the tree. Come off me now.
So Merry Christmas, guys. Yeah?
Not yet. Wait till tomorrow.
No, still I tell them.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays over here. Vlogmas.
Ready?
So?
Yeah. You're not getting nothing for the rest of the day.
Harold protests his innocence.
Today is break day.
September 21st, 2015.
That's cool.
Harold is
Start again
sentenced to life
tomorrow.
in prison without parole.
For Christmas.
No, Christmas was around the 12 o'clock tonight.
No. Yeah, he did.
Not very in
Meant
time.
more to us than just doing justice for
You
time.
guys.
Of course, we wanted to chill.
Yes, so them have decoration, you know? Yes, sir. Booby don't want help me, but need help, guys, you know? Nah, I gotta do it for them. Peter, guys. People. Nah, I reckon no, guys. People are what in there. See it there? It's fierce. Most of them name balls. Why if it that? Each of them have a different design. Look on them. People. See? They actually different. Theme is silver and blues. So, see there? As you can see, 3 foot. Them two are basically the same kind of blues. All them are 4 different, well, 3 different designs. And I have them like some, it have a soccer-ish look like. Yeah, you know, so as you see, silver and blue. Bad star. You know you're a star. Man a star, man a star. Man a superstar.
Okay, I'm gonna add the ribbon, the lights, and then we're gonna light it up and show on. Okay, be right back. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Thou tree most fair and lovely. You don't even know the tune. You guys are so pretty.
So the detective said to my
Oh,
grandmother,
Christmas.
Move, man. Move, man. Move, move, move. Move.
and then she started screaming and crying.
No. I do not have Christmas tree. About. I joke, man, make. You're not really about, but Christmas is festive. You got a decoration, man. So, yeah. Now I feel like it's Christmas here. Anyways, gotta get ready and go on the road and get some things. So I'm gonna go up on the road. Me come back soon and Carol on the road. Yeah, soon come.
Can you get both?
Hello?
Can I get both?
You pay $25 for the meal.
That's fine.
Yeah, that is.
Okay.
One, a next one to one rice and peas and jerk chicken with festival and veg.
Jerk out, yes?
Jerk, breast and wing.
Jerk, breast, rice and peas.
Yeah, with festival and veg.
Yeah, man. Any juice or drink?
Sour sap.
No sauce, June plum, guava, pineapple, sorry.
June plum, no ice.
I want a festival.
Small one, extra festival.
Can I upsize my drink?
I get for the fries.
Not the
for
fries.
fish burger.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Up fries the juice. Up the juice. Large juice. Large juice. 2 of them large juice and done. Yeah, 2 large juice in there.
Okay.
Yeah, no ice, not the June plum one. Melon, man, not the melon.
No.
No, come there. Oh, you done? Yeah, man, that is all. Complete that.
That's $2,130.
Alright, alright. Quick thing.
Bruh. Y'all, this is my first meal for the day. I got my charger. Thank you, Lord. Yes. You never take the money out of the purse.
You watch them forget to me out of the purse.
I was like, that's why.
Money.
Oh, you're an idiot. So use this and buy the food. Babe, use this and buy the food.
I never want turn back.
That's why I was like, everything I go out because I'm obvious. Should I just... A 2,000 something. So guys, we're getting Island Grill today. What time are curfew today? No 7 o'clock?
No, 10.
Oh.
It's 7. Come on. What's the one we're going to Island?
No, but okay. But what are we gonna eat today? What are we gonna eat?
Dinner?
Yeah. We could go to Plush.
We can go eat.
Yeah, we can go to Plush. It's in Portmore.
Yeah, we can go there. We'll go eat later. We're not about to eat 7 o'clock. Come on, rest. We don't feel tired. You're tired, me out.
Anyways, so I got a fish burger. I just didn't feel for... I'll eat some of Babe's rice and peas. Rice. So yeah, I kind of want rice, but I'll eat.
I don't give enough rice.
That's okay. I know I'm not gonna eat a lot of your rice.
No,
but I love Island Grill's fries, so I feel like anytime I come here, I have to get their fries because their fries are
rice and peas and fries.
Yeah, I know, but I never really want the chicken or
a jerk chicken.
I didn't really want that right now. Well, my belly just feel upset.
Extra festival, right?
I also will collect the food too?
Almost has to go nowhere.
So yeah, this is what we got. Satisfaction jerk, breast and wing, festival, fish, and it came up to $2,129.62. That's all? Yeah, so that would be equivalent to about $22, I'm gonna say roughly. But I'm just rounding it off. If I was doing it dollar for dollar, it would be about $22. Yeah, it's not that far off from whatever. Rates fluctuate every day. So yeah. So this is what we're eating.
Because what them said fluctuate after a while, it still go up and go back down. That's how chickpea. You ever notice?
Okay.
It fluctuates, it does still rise.
What else did we have to do on the road?
No, get the charge and go.
That's it, right?
And get food.
So go in and go eat, and then later we go out to eat. And yeah. So yeah, when I get my food, I will go.
Why eat it? Later I go consume.
Eat. Guys, today my husband looks so cute. I dressed him.
Show them the clocks,
I dressed him. I'll show you guys when he gets home. I dressed him.
Stylish.
Come, let's get a thumbnail. YouTube live. You should have heard him yesterday when we went to the play to tree creperie, whatever it is. He was like, YouTuber, link up. You can imagine if it was all 4 of us.
Yeah.
And everybody have them camera. Oh God, that was a good time when we had that YouTuber link up. That was fun. No, I mean not even this one. I'm talking about when we were all here for our meet and greet. Once upon a time. Oh gosh, guys, but tired. But I'm really tired, you know. I'm not. It's not. I don't want to say tired.
That's why I like.
But I'm tired. Me need rest. Yeah, like me need rest. So yeah, I'm excited for my limeade juice. I'm excited to try babes. You know, so me not eat that, baby. Should I get the June plum? I not even realize what me I say. Because I always get the true juice, June plum. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, but I love. Oh my God, you guys. Island Girls juices.
I love it.
Like when they first came out with their mango peach, I was getting mango peach every day, even if I wasn't.
Still have mango peach in there. I just sorry.
Even if I wasn't eating Island Grill, I just went there to buy their drinks. Worse, my uncle had a shop, not had, but has a shop beside the Island Grill in Montego Bay. Anytime my mom, like when I was, if my mom was there or whatever, and I would have to go there to meet her or whatever, Island Grill juice. And then they came out with the limeade, baby. Oh, and then now they have June plum. Yo, Island Grill, shapap. Yo, people, today I'm gonna meet my mate.
My own mind. Don't tell the people, she created her own paranoia.
Anyways, so we're there at the gas station today, right? And what if I available pump today, you know? Yesterday I did a sleep when we go to the gas station, you know, I did a sleep in the car, but me hear everything, me hear the girl I talk to him and I go on and a ray, right? And she was like, oh, you know, how long me not see you, Ray? And he was like, yeah, a few months. And she was like, no, it's been years, da-da-da-da-da. And Ray.
For me, it's their ears like she there for you. First of all, it's an elderly woman.
She's not elderly, guys.
2 things.
She's not elderly.
Me not cheat for one, you know. But me no. I can't say, but it's not a person I'm attracted to like that in the first place.
Okay.
But for few, me and already attack and she say, oh, because she work at a gas station there for years. Elderly woman. I always hear her like as a friend and Ray for years, but I never see her for how long. Because years now, I don't see her in terms of years. Long. And I say, oh, alright then. I don't see her for years.
June plum.
I wonder how she are going with and thing it's a for years. The song.
Limeade.
Oh, that is an song.
So them left me festival. Anyways, yeah, so I did it today and it's like only for available pump did it food for go. And she just brought out to him like, you know make me cash you, make me cash you.
She said she didn't want to come in that pump there because the pump is free.
Anyways, it's never free because line up.
Because no one babe. Listen babe.
So as me I say,
no, I like what she think, yeah? That's paranoia.
so as me I say, yeah, she did about whatever.
I'm stuck in a traffic test.
The next lady was like, sir, come on, man, come. And she was telling the lady, like, do your work. Because she was just being so nuff, like, just so nuff. She was being so nuff. And then she was like, oh, how could I not? What am I have with the girl for not like her?
I have no idea what she did say. Let me explain to you, because you never realize what occurred. Woman, by right enough to stretch you on the pump, by the law, the thing. And she, them get the supervisor for over there, as I tell you, she can make sure you get no problem. That's why she has to come around to fear part of them, stretch it.
Anyways.
And then woman say, no, I don't mind no one business, I do it myself, man. Because the next woman is a face woman too. Because I told them in a rival, who was the supervisor, because I told them in a long time. And that's why she even said that, because I told them in a rival. And then now, that's the only reason why she doesn't become this. And she never
Joel is going to pick up for her, but anyways, I saw what I saw and I heard what I heard.
It's alright, I create your own.
Yeah.
You know the truth and God know the truth.
The girl.
I don't have to explain.
They don't want the people man. But a people man, so of course she'll go on and she'll go on to.
Yeah, but are you a people?
Clearly
She
not.
know that, she does see you.
That don't mean nothing. That ever stop anybody from one nobody man.
Name. Yeah, we know her name.
You don't need to know people name for go for one do them or for one day with them or whatever. You don't necessarily have to know nobody name. You never know my name in the beginning. You never know my name.
Sorry, edit that part.
That's not what I mean. When you see me, you never know my name.
Different from getting acquainted with that person.
Whatever. Anyways, y'all, me I go consume because
Yeah, the fries are full.
me hungry. Bad. Some fries here.
Traffic and right out there consume.
Yeah. So I'll come back when I'm eating babe's food. Well, my ex-babe's food. Okay? Bye.
Was it?
You guys see babe's food here? I'm about to consume this. The festival, I'm done start consume. Taking a piece of the wing.
Show them where.
I showed them that already. Oh, see his fit.
Show them everything.
Yeah, now talking truth. Yeah, girl. And the tree. Yeah, we came home. I came in the door and it was the first thing I seen, and I'm like, oh my god, it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. And on the camera, it kind of flickers.
Yeah, like it's a flash.
Yeah. I noticed everybody that put up a tree this year on YouTube, like the lights flicker. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna consume. See you later. Sexy man. Big up yourself. The sexy ex-man. Yeah, now. People man at the gas station. So I can show you for wear people man shirt in every color, style and print. Right.